Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about partition by clause in Oracle database. So about the partition by, so it is used to divide the data into groups. So at here, so this the record at here and this the table. So inside I'm going to apply the partition on TPT number. So TPT number because at here 20, 30 and 10s are duplicate. So by using partition by clause, so first that make the group. So 10 in one group, okay, 10 in one group. After that break the data. So that make the group of 10. Hereafter that break, and hereafter 20 in one group. At here that break, and 30 in one group. After that break the data. So into the group. So at here 10 in one group, 20 in one group, and 30 in one group. So after that you can use any analytical function on this group. So let's see the example at here. So select start from EMP and giving the order by on TPT number. So at here 10, 20 and 30. So this is in order by. Now here after going to use select statement. So select MP number. Now here after going to select ename. Ename, and hereafter going to use DPT number, and hereafter cell column going to use, and hereafter let's use row num function row number, and hereafter let's use over clause. So partition comes under over by clause here. So let's use partition. So first I'm not going to partition here. So first I'm going to use at order by cell. Okay. So partition by is the optional part here in the table. Now here after let's use from EMP table. So if you execute this query, so see at here, first I selected four columns: EMP name, ename, DPT number, and here star. So at here this is displaying here. So in place of this, you can give any meaningful name. So row and now let's execute that. So see at here. So row number created on Saturday column. So see at here. So if you don't give anything here, so that by default it's order by Saturday. So it's in ascending order. So at here a small Saturday, it's come first. So see at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a row number created according to Saturday. Okay. So here 7. So for each row, it's created one value. So one new row number. So at here 800, 950. So that find 1250 is the duplicate, but it's created for each row at a unique value. So 1250 it's the unique value for 1250 this one. So it's created 5. So at here without any partition by I used this query. Now here after I'm going to make the partition. So make the partition on TPT number because TPT number it's a duplicate. So at here going to make the partition on or TPT number 10 in one group, 20 in one group, and 30 in one group. So at here going to include partition by clause. So partition by, and you have to give the column name. So at here going to use the column name TPT number. Now if you execute this query, so see at here first that create the partition at here for 10. So 10 in one group, 20 in one group, and hereafter 30 in one group, and here one more group for null. So at here see, so DPT 10. So hereafter row number it's created on Saturday. So at here Saturday. So Saturday at here this is ascending order for 10 here. This is the partition till 10. So 1300 is the smallest Saturday. So row number 1 here 2450 till 5000 it's a 3. Now hereafter it's created new partition for 20. So 20 1 2 3 4 5, and here new partition for 30. So 30 1 2 3 4 5, and here 5 total numbers of here 30 or 7. So that here row number is displaying 7 and none is only 1. So at here row number is created 1. So this is the things. we can break the data into the group by using partition by clause. So at here I order by Saturday. So it's created at your row number on sal column according to sal. Now if you want, then here you can change also. So if you want here DPT number, you can give also. So let's execute that. So see at here Saturday it's not in order wise. So see at here 1250, 1100, 3000. Okay, so I created order by on DP number. So see at here 10 here. So this is at here DPT number 10. So it's now order by created and row number created on DPT 10. So one, this is this row for 1 and here 10 here, this 10 for 3 and hereafter for 20. So this is 1 and this 20 for here 2. Here this is for 30. So row number generally give the unique output for each row. So see at here 3000, 3000, it's a duplicate, but it's written only unique values for each row. So if you don't want here sal column, so you can also remove here. So see at here or 10. So here 1, 2, 3, it's created row number here. And first the thing says partition by DPT number. So 10 break into one group, 20 in one group, 30 in one group. So this is the use of partition by clause to break the data into the groups. After that you can use any kind of analytical function. So if you want here you can use the rank function also. So let's execute that. So see at here now rank function it's created. So rank function here, let's give R and K. So see at here. So see at here for 10 it's created rank 1 and 21. So if you give at here create the because 10 at here there are 10 break 10 in one group rank if you find any duplicate values, so it's written only or same result, same values by using rank. So if you wanna give at here rank on sal column, so let's see at here. So it's a created rank on sal column. So see at here, let's give sal. After that we can check. So at here created rank. So 1300 1 here 1250 2 and here 500. So it's the rank is 3. So this is one groups. So by using partition by, so DPT 10 in one groups. So rank on this group. So these are the things about partition by clause in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.